Control motors in sequence after time delay. Welcome everyone. Today we are exploring a method of controlling three-phase motors in sequence with a 10-second time delay. How to run motors in sequence? A sequential motor control circuit is an electrical circuit designed to sequentially operate motors. This circuit typically consists of various control devices, including contactors, timers, relays, and sensors. Its purpose is to prevent electric motors from starting simultaneously, ensuring each motor operates in a specific sequence for a particular purpose. For this project, we have integrated two start and stop push buttons. When the start button is pressed, M1, and after a 10 delay second, M2 turns on automatically. Pressing the stop button turns off both motors. Now let's go through the pre-written ladder relay control program for the project and see how it meets the project's requirements. The project is successfully tested on a virtual S7300 PLC using Semantic Manager software. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.